Okay, we have the Bulin 2412 9 pieces camping cookware mess kit, nonstick backpacking cooking set, lightweight cookware sets, outdoor cook gear for family hiking picnic. Woo. Camping cook set, 4 people, BL200C8. In this box, we should have 1 drinking bag, 1 big lid, 1 small lid, 1 kettle lid, 4 pieces of tableware, 1 sponge, 1 rice spoon, 1 soup ladle, 4 cups, 1 kettle, 1 small pot, 1 big pot, 4 small dish, 1 frying pan, 1 bag, and 1 water bag. Let's check it out. Okay, 1 drinking bag. That's the first up. Okay, 1 drinking bag. Hopefully it has the lid. Oh boy, not sure what this is yet. Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh, some kind of a spatula. All right. That probably goes there. Okay, drinking bag. Oh, it's a rice spoon. Okay, rice spoon. This is the water bag. Whoa. That's pretty big. Okay. Okay. So it looks like all the pots are in here. 1 Bulin zip bag. Okay, 1 large lid, I hope. Oh, 1 frying pan. Nice. That fits. Oh man. Alrighty, we have there's the 4 small dishes, 4 small dishes. Nice small lid. Not sure what this is yet. Oh, 4 pieces of tableware. We'll see if that is in there somewhere. Okay, here we go. Ah, a kettle. There's a lot of stuff in there. We'll save that. Okay. There's the small pot, large pot. Okay, here's the kettle. Oh, there's the sponge. How to get my box again, the list. Ah, 1 soup ladle. Okay. All right, here's your 4 cups. Oh, these are nice. This will help your hand protect it from the heat and identify whose cup is whose. Anywho. Okay, here's the fork, spoon, spoon. That's got to be the handle for the ladle or something. Uh-oh, here. 2 forks, 2 spoons, 2 handles, 3. There's a fork, spoon, spoon. Ah, there it is. And that's the handle for the ladle. Okay. I think we got it all. Every piece in a super compacted box. Okay, so 4 spoons, 4 forks, 4 knives. Thought they were handles. Anywho. And they very compact. Oh, shit. And they fit in here. Velcro bags. Cool. Sorry, pretty wild stuff here. And it fits. I'm sure there's a better way to put it together, but looks good. After further review, this knife has a nice edge to it. It's actually sharp. It's the frying pan. Collapsible handles. All right, small pot with lid. And it looks like the lid has a little pour spout there. So maybe not pour spout, maybe for steam. And same with the large one. All right, the 4 dishes. Pretty thin. I mean, it's like maybe 1.5 inches thick. Definitely reminds me of a water bowl for dogs. And then this is your water bag. I mean, this is really deep.